Hey there fitness people, I'm sorry, I couldn't resist. Today we'll learn about the only thing you remember from high school biology. We'll be diving deep into the microscopic world of mitochondria, and exploring how these tiny powerhouses play a crucial role in energy production, muscle growth, and overall fitness. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things fitness related. Let's get started. So what exactly is the mitochondria? Well, it's a small bean-shaped organelle found in our cells that acts as the powerhouse generating the energy our body needs to function optimally. It's often referred to as the cellular power plant or the powerhouse of the cell. First, let's explore how the mitochondria produces energy. The process primarily occurs in the complex cycle called the Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle or the tricarboxylic acid cycle, aka the TCA. This cycle takes place inside the mitochondria. Now I know that's a lot of science hippie talk, but just bear with me. The Krebs cycle is a series of chemical reactions that break down the carbohydrates, fats and proteins, aka the macros, from our food into smaller molecules. These molecules, such as glucose and fatty acids, enter the cycle and undergo a series of transformations, releasing high energy electrons in the process. These high energy electrons are then shuttled through a chain of proteins located in the inner membrane of the mitochondria, known as the electron transport chain, aka the ETC. As the electrons move along the ETC, their energy is gradually harnessed to pump protons across the inner mitochondrial membrane. The buildup of the protons creates an electrochemical gradient, and as the protons flow back across the membrane through a protein called ATP synthase, it drives the production of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, which is the energy currency of our cells. Before we move on, if you don't know how ATP works, we'll just do it really quickly. So basically ATP, adenosine triphosphate, that's one adenosine triphosphate, three phosphates. So one of those phosphates is broken off, which releases energy the muscle fibers and the muscle cells can then use, which leaves us with ADP, diphosphates to phosphates, which goes back into a cycle of becoming triphosphates again by taking on another phosphate. Creatine, for instance, helps with this cycle by increasing the speed at which ADP can become ATP again, which makes it easier to train for longer and to recover more quickly. Now you might wonder, why are mitochondria important for muscle growth and fitness? Well, here's the deal. During exercises, our muscles require an increased supply of ATP to perform the physical work that the mitochondria play a vital role in meeting the demands by producing ATP in abundance. Regular exercise, especially strength training, can actually stimulate the growth of mitochondria within our muscle cells, and this process is known as mitochondrial biogenesis, which leads to an increased number of mitochondria in the muscle fibers. With more mitochondria, our muscles can produce and utilize ATP more efficiently, resulting in improved endurance, muscle strength, and overall fitness. So to sum it up, mitochondria are the cellular powerhouses responsible for generating energy through the Krebs cycle and the electron transport chain. They play a crucial role in muscle growth and fitness by producing ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the energy currency of our cells, and by adapting to exercises through mitochondrial biogenesis. So, if you don't remember anything about this video, just remember the last part I just told you. Alright, so ATP, Krebs cycle, mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell. Everything else is science hippie mumbo jumbo. Thank you all for tuning in. I hope this was somewhat helpful. If it was, leave a like down below, subscribe for more. I hope I'll see y'all soon. Captain Cairo, peace out.